Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar CAD definitely does have that five-wave pattern look. I mean, it definitely has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it. We are sitting at the 78%, so it does have a lot of reason to think that maybe we will get a big bounce right here. The only problem I have with that idea is that I still think we're in a wave one based on the weekly monthly. I think this whole move down is a wave one. Most wave ones actually don't end until they break structure from the previous moves, which is for me is way down here. So even if it does bounce, I think it's just going to be a pullback within a downtrend. I do not think that this wave one downtrend is complete yet. We definitely don't have engulfing up. We definitely don't have a breaker structure up. So the trend is definitely still down. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here, which honestly, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it should potentially go down again for a wave five. I personally am still looking for shorts because of the higher time frame, but because we're sitting at the 78% on the daily, I am going to be a little bit cautious. I would want to see a nice three-way pullback, a nice Fibonacci bounce in order to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Because of that 78% on the daily, we could possibly end up making a bigger bounce, maybe even go up to the 61 and the 78% before we actually do continue down. For me personally, as more of a swing trader, I am definitely waiting for sorting opportunities at the end of three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces to go short. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.